cards.
Yep.
And in a fair back even.
Yep.
Would you, if you don't mind, please come closer. And it's a sketch with me.
Yep.
So I'm gonna I want you to say stop.
Stop.
Right there, great. I want to just take this card, show it to the camera even, and put it right down there. Well,
yep.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna take a card from the middle of the deck. That I've got here is the 2 of diamonds. I'm gonna draw something on it. I'm not a great artist, but I will try to draw that you would recognize. Well, I think it's dry now. It's snow globe. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. It's dry
yep.
now, as you can check. And I want you to just give a shake. And I want you to merely think of your card. And oh, I wonder. That's the Ace of Hearts.
Yep.
You would be thinking, mister. That's the illusion done by me, SVR. That's what it's saying. Thank you.